Okay, here's project number 3. It's a little bit of a disaster, and I'll get into why that was. But here you go. You can see that I'm in home. My account started. I moved over to the computer science folder I had created. A couple times I was trying to make a folder. I realized I wasn't supposed to be putting spaces, so I came down here and I made a week 3 without the space between week and 3, and I moved over to that folder. And then I started a VI file called pizza.cp. Just get into this and then I'll go show you the program. So I ran it the first time and then asked me the pizza, said 32, and then it gave me this prompt that says when there are 30 people eating 2 per person, the total cost of the pizzas needed after a discount of 44% is negative $2,236. So I knew I had some problems going on with some integer division or something of that nature, so I went in and made changes. After I made the changes, I ran a test again, got the same thing, went in and tried making more changes, trying to figure out what I was doing wrong. Kept running these tests, not understanding what I could possibly be doing wrong. And then finally, after many times, I realized that I didn't run the G++ again before the test. And when I did that, I finally got some errors, and I was like, oh, look at that. Something different. So I went in and fixed those errors, ran the program again after doing the G++, and I got how many people are eating pizza, 30. How many slices per person, 2. When there are 30 people eating 2 per person, the total cost of the pizzas needed after a discount of 50% is 26. All right, so let's go take a look at that program. Oops, I don't know why I put a freaking period behind that. Sorry. Okay, so as you can see, I got my name and then code showing cost of pizza for any given amount of people and the average pizza they eat after calculating some random discount. So I included IOStream random because that's what we chose to produce our random numbers, and a manipulator to force the showing of those 2 points. So we get down to here. I'll probably scroll down with this. So first I declare my integers. And you see I got the number of people, average slices, total slices, number of pizzas. Then my doubles, which is initial cost and total cost. And then I declare my constants, which is slices of pizza is 8, double is $6.50 a pizza. Then I define my random engine, which is my discount with the random device I chose. And then for the distribution object, I did the random dis for random discount. So then I put a comment stating that I'm going to show the value request, and so here I am requesting the value of how many people are eating pizza, and then how many slices per person, right? So then I calculate total slices, so I have total slices equals number of people times average slices. Calculate number of pizzas, and that's number of pizzas equals total slices. And so I added this +7. I think there's other ways you could do this, but what I figured is doing the integer, using integers, we want a whole number, but if it gives me any number of a pizza, like 7.5 pizzas, it's just going to show me 7 pizzas, or 6.3 pizzas is just going to show me 6, and I actually need one more pizza. So knowing that there's 8 slices in a pizza, and that only one slice would mean I need a whole other pizza, I did this, so that would mean that anytime I had at least one more slice that I was going to eat, then it would raise me up to a whole nother pizza, or yeah, a whole nother 7 slices. So in my steps for this that I have, I can kind of show you my math on that, how that worked out. Then the initial cost equals number of pizzas times pizza price. Initial discount, integer discount equals my distribution object and my engine. And so then I created a discount amount, which would be the discount divided by 100 times the initial cost. So I've made a lot of changes, and so what I think happened most likely is at first I was dividing this just by 100, and since my discount is an integer, and because the initial cost doesn't come out to a decimal, even though I have it labeled as a double, the initial cost when I do 30 pizzas is just 52, which is a whole number. I think that was causing it to come back as a whole number. I actually don't know for sure if that was the answer, because I also did change a lot of other things, like changing discount amount to a double. Originally I didn't have it as a double, I don't think, and some other things. So I don't know. I fixed it though. So then I got total cost equals initial cost minus discount amount, and then I put a comment to produce statement. Oh, sewing. Nah, that's not right. Wonder if I can just click in here real quick and change that to showing. Showing. Okay. Yeah, showing results. And honestly, I think what I'm going to also do, because it sounds better, and so then I have it saying, so the fix, that's the set precision, that's the manipulator, why I use that manipulator library. So that way I would get a decimal, showing 2 decimal places. So then it says when there are the number of people eating blank slices. So what I was gonna do, what I thought would be better, just now looking at this, was probably coming here and going pieces of pizza per person. Okay. Yeah, when there are a number of people eating this many pieces of pizza per person. Yeah, that's better. Maybe slices would be better too. Anyway, move on from there. Exit. End line, the total cost of the pizza is needed after a discount of whatever the discount is, percent is, and that's the total cost. Sweet. So then I'll exit out of here. WQ. All right, and I will do this now that I changed some things, because I realize now I'm supposed to do that every time because I forgot. And test again. Let's try a different one. We'll go 40 and 4. All right, so yeah. How many people are eating pizza? 40. How many slices per person? 4. When there are 40 people eating 4 pieces of pizza per person, the total cost of the pizzas needed after a discount of 10% is $117. Sweet. There's that.